Welcome to Isotech and Moonbase Lappträsk. This is the community hall, and in the community hall you meet other people in the same community. That's why it's called community hall, which could be able to fit a fair number in. Apart from meeting, discussing things, taking decisions and that kind of stuff, you will also meet to socialize, maybe dance, and that's what we're going to talk about today. What is the difference in dancing on Earth and dancing on the moon? Well, it depends on the type of dance. If there's something slow, like foxtrot or something, where you go rather slowly, then it doesn't really matter, because you can do the same thing. You don't jump away. If it is something somewhat more fast, so that you take a bit more bouncy steps, or maybe even jump a little bit, then you will be disturbed by the lack of gravity or the low gravity. Because if you jump a little bit on Earth, you're quite fast down. If you jump a little bit on the moon, you only have to jump a sixth of the force you need on Earth to jump. And if you are jumping on Earth, it will take, if you do the same thing on the moon, it will give you 6 times as long time in the air. So it might be disturbing in medium slow dances if you don't think about the gravity, so that you float away. It will take a bit to get used to. Don't think it would be too difficult. You just use less force and then you stay close to the ground. What will be interesting on the moon dance is when you get things like rather fast dances. Take jitterbug, when you dance and you there are moves where you throw your partner, or be thrown, depending on what happens. That you can do bit more fun things on the moon, because if you are able to lift and kind of get airborne somewhat, 60 kilo lady maybe, on the moon the weight will be 10 kilos, so you can throw her up in the air and she will reach the ceiling here. If you're not careful, you need to plan this. So you could, and also you can throw both of you, because say you're pretty heavy, both of you, that's 200 kilos here, you can't really do anything with that. On the moon, well, 200 kilos, that's, what is it? 200, that's 20, no, 48, 6, 200 divided by 6, that's no, 30 something kilos, which is very little. Anyway, so what you could do on the moon, I don't have low gravity, but I can pretend. So you kind of come there dancing. You obviously have a partner instead of those silly things, and then you can just. And I didn't manage that. Let's try again. There, and you can not hang in the air, but you can spend some time. You get up there, and you can actually bounce back from the ceiling if the ceiling is close enough. So there may well be different types of dance with different ceiling heights, so you can do different types of tricks there. Shoo. Thank you, and if you thought that was an interesting dance, like, subscribe, share the usual stuff.